e no dey happen to everybody at once, but one by one, e dey reach everybody. Who next? Na same God dem dey call, but na different hate dem dey show. One talk say dem no be our people, another one reply, make dem go their side. Yesterday dem be best friend, today na enemy because of name, tribe, religion. Some people dey use this fight dey control una, while dem dey safe. Fight start. No be who right, no be who wrong. Na who go survive?
But the people wey suffer no even know wetin start am. Tears no get religion, pain no get tribe.
Na one country we dey, but na ourselves we dey destroy. If we fit hate, we fit love too. If we fit divide, we fit unite. If this story touch you, abeg no scroll pass. Share and make more people wake up. Follow Pidgin Vibez, because this no be just story, na reality. Different stories, but na one Nigeria create all of them. So tell me, who next?